that white wine that I never got to sip. And dinner wasn't ruined cause you never got the pick. I know that everybody tell me that I'm sick cause
My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you.
Hello, good morning. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, my list. And like I already told you guys that Saturday is usually my off day. Saturday and Sundays is my off day in this new world. And I know you'll be asking why is my bags all over the bed. I decided to bring out my bag to know which bag I'm actually using and which bag I'm not using and which bag that I've abandoned, I've forgotten. One thing with all these bags, if you're new using it for a while, it will just start spoiling. I don't know if it's decaying or whatever it is called. This is one of my favorite bag. God, I carried this bag to glory. That was why I decided to stop carrying it. Only Michael Kors bag that was gifted to me by my cousin. I need to clean it. Looking crazy inside here. So let's arrange my whole bags and use the opportunity to give you guys a little haul of my bag.
My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You're recommended to me by some people. Hey, ooh, is this illegal? Hey, ooh.
The last two vlogs when I traveled, I got a birthday gift for my friend. It's not her birthday yet, but I decided to buy it and keep in case that period I'm kind of busy or something. This is going to be one of the birthday gifts. So the person will not know the person. So of course, there are some of my friends that their birthday are going to come up soon. So I'm not sure you will know yourself. It's about to rain. I need to be fast before the power goes off. Because once it's raining heavily now, the power is gonna go off. So guys, I think not to judge me. The last time I cleaned this place is when I moved in. Since then, I've not actually cleaned it. So let's clean it.
You can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna waste your time.
I don't know where I'm going to keep all these my tote bags. Oh God. Ah. I've tried my best, guys. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and I was actually planning on going to church, but I started having serious cramps and I think I'm going to just join them online for church service. So let's do that. Now I'm going to just brush my teeth and join them for online service.
How do you maintain your faith when God seems to be silent and you are in prison?
Guys, I just got to work and I'm waiting for key. We just finished the procedure of HSG. I'm about to like clean up the equipment before it goes in for autoclaving. So yeah. Hi, my loves. Good afternoon. I just got back from work. I'm so tired. It's actually raining. That's why I covered my hair with this scarf because I don't want my hair to start smelling. Let's go back from work, and I've not actually eaten all day because I've not really been that strong. No, like I know if you're not strong, you're supposed to eat, right? But I've not eaten all day, and I'm about to just prepare. I bought watermelon. I want to eat watermelon now and rest. I think I'm going to eat this is currently 2 p.m. I'm going to be eating like around maybe 3. Just eat watermelon and rest. Then eat around 3 p.m. So yeah, today's what? Today is Tuesday. We go again. 3 more days. I have like after this week, I'll be done with this word by next week, and I'll not even really be present by next week because I'm preparing for something in another state. Which God, I'm just thinking of how I'm going to vlog for that next week since I'm not going to be around, and I don't want to miss any week of vlogging. I'm going to find my way. We might end up ending this vlog tomorrow, but I doubt I've gotten any much clips, but we're going to end we might end the vlog tomorrow so that I can start another one. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to like end this vlog by Thursday, then do a weekend vlog Friday, Saturday, Sunday for next week Sunday, because the whole of next week I will not have time to actually vlog like that. Like I might vlog some things, but like I will not really vlog compared to if I'm actually at home. I'm just putting out there.
We're dedicating a whole vlog to Shania finding a new car. Well, Shania and Cheyenne. Cheyenne's my twin sister. If you guys didn't know, she's also looking for a new car.
I'm about to stretch my wing for tomorrow. I have a presentation tomorrow, so and I need my wig stretched. Get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. I don't know what's concerned that and what I'm saying now, but hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Wednesday and I got back from work like 3 hours ago. I need to turn off this fan. But before I say what I came to tell you guys, my fellow intern bought me, not bought me, she made a popcorn for herself and she brought a pack for me, but it's too sweet. So I just ate small and I couldn't finish eating it. So I have a presentation at work at the hospital tomorrow, like is something that is required for internship, like checklist. So I'm preparing for it and my hair is so bad and I'm thinking of like wearing wig. I said let me stretch my wig because this is the wig I got and it's already almost scattered. So I said let me just stretch it because I think I'm going to be wearing a wig so I'll look a little bit more presentable. You get, I'm sweating. On back the fan. On back the fan. Yeah, I just came to tell you guys we are going to stretch the wig together. I know the wig is actually looking like is actually okay, but like I just need this front to be a little bit more cleaner. I was thinking of cutting this hair more, not like by myself. Or I was feeling like it's not 8 inches enough, but like looking at it now, it's actually short. So I'm not cutting anything. It's fine like this. It's fine like this. So let's stretch just the front and prepare for tomorrow's presentation.
My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You're recommended to me by some people. Hey, ooh, is this illegal? Hey, ooh, it feels illegal. I've suffered quite a few times with paranoia. Oh, what's your name? I don't know what I should call you. Hey, ooh, here's 24, yeah. Hey, we're getting high around the corner. One after one, now you're sitting on my bed. Then later on, we can talk on it instead. Two into one while you're sitting on my bed. Then later on, I can feel shave in my head.
This bob is making me feel bonita. That ding, 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 ding. I don't know if you guys get the reference. Guys, I want to be watching vlog why like I want to be watching YouTube why I stretch the hair. So we are going to I'm going to pick you guys up later, probably tomorrow, because after I stretch this hair I don't really have anything I'm doing today till tomorrow. Probably I'll take you guys for my presentation tomorrow. I'll just show you guys a clip of the presentation tomorrow, and tomorrow is Thursday and I think we're going to be ending the vlog tomorrow. Fingers crossed I get enough clip. I'll end the vlog tomorrow because I want to start another one Friday, Saturday, Sunday weekend vlog against next week because I will not be available next week to vlog, but I want to put out a vlog that next week for you guys. So yeah, let's go and watch YouTube. guys, good morning. Friday, and I came to yap small concerning what happened yesterday. Yesterday was my case and seminar presentation. Case and seminar presentation is what we usually like. Is something that is necessary for all intern nurses to do before they finish from their internship program that lasts for 1 year. So my hospital decided to do it this period of time. It actually started since July, but my own group, I'm in group 38, and we had 4 members. So it actually went so well. We have seminar. There's a topic we selected it. They gave us a topic for seminar. Then for the case study, us as a group, we are going to go to the any of the ward that we are working in. From the any of us in the group, you're going to choose any disease condition you guys want to talk on, and you write on that. So we are talking on two different topics. You get the disease condition and the seminar work that they gave us. So it went so well. Those people were so strict, like so strict. So many people, they told them cancelled your work, cancelled. So I'm so grateful for that. And yeah, traveling on Monday. So I was thinking of ending this vlog today. Actually, I'm ending the vlog today because I might just end up putting the last clip of a a. I'm going to put the last clip Saturday of a cooking video I did on Wednesday. So if you've not watched it, I think you should go back and watch it too. I did a detailed cooking video because I want to be doing a sit down video every Wednesday, either sit down or like something different from the main vlog. It's either fashion, like how to style, or like closet haul, or like things talking about things about life and stuff like that every Wednesday. So that I'll be posting 2 times a week on Wednesday. I'm trying my best so that we can reach 500 subscriber by the end before next month ends by God's grace, or anything is possible before this year. And I want to have gotten 1,000 subscribers. I don't know how it will be done, but I'm just speaking into existence. So I'm going to still put the next clip for the cooking for those that missed it, but this is going to just be a little. So I think you should just go back and watch the main video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we have come to the end of this week's vlog. I'll see you next week Sunday, and take care of yourself and your health also. Mwah.